Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, like the content, please hit that thumbs up. So today we're going to be working on this thing, and let's get into it and I'll tell you what we're going to do. So today we're working on a 99 Suburban, and it's missing studs on the rear tire. So on the way on a travel, lost two of them. Wheel got loose somehow and blew some studs off. So I'll show you what we're talking about here. So missing two studs. So we're going to pull the tire off and see what we got, and let me get things set up for you, and I'll be back in a second. All right, so we got the tire off, and you can definitely see what I'm talking about now. So we're missing those two. So we're going to pull the drum off and see if we can get those two out. And while we're doing it, we're going to pull the other three off and change those just in case those are worn out or fatigued from the wheel coming loose. I've got parts on order. They were supposed to be here yesterday. I've not got them yet. Hopefully they come in today, but worst case, we're going to get this thing apart today and at least get it started. So we'll be back in after I get them out. All right, so I got one out. It came out pretty easy, but I figured I'd show you how I did this. So I've got a punch BFH. We're just going to wail on this thing till it comes out. That's it. So that's how we do it. We'll go ahead and rotate this around, knock these studs out using essentially the same method, except I'm going to be hitting a stud instead. So we'll be back when I get them all out. All right, so we have them all out. So these I'm probably going to hang on to just in case I have more go out and need to do like an emergency get home thing. But those I'm not putting back in. So I don't have the parts to put this back together. So we will be back when I get the parts and we'll reassemble this thing. So stay tuned. Alright, so welcome back. We finally got the parts in. Here's part number that we got. So if you match them up, they're almost identical. So we're going to go ahead and start to get these installed. So we'll be back in a second. Alright, so as you can see, I got one in. I guess I'm going to kind of walk you through how I did it. So these things got splines, and what I did was put it in, try to feel the splines the best I can to make sure they're lined up so I'm not cutting any more grooves. And then I got a stack of really big washers. Get the nut on there. Impact would be really nice right about now, but I can't find mine. So we're just going to use this to thread it in. And then of course once we won't go any more of that, we're going to break out the breaker bar and then just keep threading this in until it stops. Like I said, this would be a lot faster probably with an impact. But we just keep threading her in until it bottoms out. And once it bottoms out, you can kind of look in there. You probably can't see it, but she's flush with the back side of the axle. So it's in. So we're going to take this off and just keep doing the rest of them. So we'll be back when I get all those done. All right, we got them all done. I'm worn out doing it the hard way, but they're all done. So we're going to go ahead and put this back together and hopefully be done with this thing. So I'll be back in a second. All right, so as you can see, tires on. So we got 5 brand new studs, 5 brand new lock nuts, and wheels on and all torqued down. So hopefully that will solve my problem and this thing won't come loose again. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, like the content, please hit that like button. Please also share with your friends and family, and let's get the word out. So we'll see you next time.